is Carolyn, and I'm here to offer you a product for Uranus. If you're freezing cold up there and you're freezing your head off, then buy the new Heat Field Bubble Kit. And I'm a mad scientist. My new creation by 8 Outer Space is a Heat Field Bubble Kit. It's a bubble that you can never pop for only $110.99. For only $110.99. So buy it now. Call 1-800-URANUS. But wait, there's more. If you buy one boot, you get the other one free. If you order in the next 30 minutes, you'll get the helmet free and free shipping. So call now at 1-800-URANUS. 1-800-URANUS, or go to www.8outerspaceuranus.com. Bubble food for bubble food. Bubble food for bubble food. And go to your own. Wait, Mom, I need to get my thing on. Oh, my God. I think I broke our nails off. Okay, well, shooting now. Shipping and the free helmet to go with it. And if you order in the next 30 minutes,